Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will discuss with you history of India. Today I will discuss with you ancient history of India, the Vedic age. The history of Vedic India is now largely through its religious texts, the Vedas, which gave the period its name. The history of Vedic India is largely known through its religious text. जो हिस्ट्री है वैदिक इंडिया की वो लार्जली किस पे है? रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट के ऊपर है, द वेदास के ऊपर है, विच गेव द पीरियड्स नेम, और उसी ने ही इस पीरियड्स को नेम दिया है. वेदास रिकॉर्डेड नॉट ओनली द रिलीजन ऑफ वैदिक पीपल but also details of their lives that gave us a look at their political, social, economic pattern. वेदा ने रिकॉर्ड रिलीजन को ही नहीं किया, वहाँ के पीपल्स की लाइफ के बारे में, डिटेल लाइव्स के बारे में पढ़ाया, उनकी पॉलिटिकल लाइफ, सोशल और इकोनॉमिक पैटर्न के बारे में भी हमें सिखाया है. The Rig Veda, the oldest literary creation not only in India but in the entire Indo-European literature. To talk of a simple socio-economic, political setup and religious life. ऋग्वेद है ओल्डेस्ट लिटरेरी क्रिएशन है, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, भारत में ही नहीं है बट इन द एंटायर इंडो यूरोपियन लिटरेचर में. टॉक ऑफ सिंपल सोशल इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल सेटअप ऑफ रिलीजियस लाइफ. Origin. The word Aryans literally means of high birth, what generally refers to language through some use it as race. It is difficult to say that all the earliest Aryans belong to one race. हम ये मुश्किल से कह सकते हैं कि all the early Aryans थे, belong करते थे only one race, but their culture was more or less of same type. उनकी जो रेस थी वो डिफरेंट होती होगी, बट उनका जो कल्चर था वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत सेम था. द भोजकोय इंस्क्रिप्शन dated to 1400 BC give the information of peace treaty between the Hittite and the Mitannian ruler of the Hittani, in which the name of Vedic gods Indra, Mitra, Nastya and Varuna are mentioned. Reason behind rapid expansion of the Aryans. क्या थे रीजन जो रैपिड एक्सपेंशन करते थे आर्यंस में? चैरिट ड्राइवन बाय हॉर्सेस, वीपन मेड ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी ब्रॉन्ज. क्या करते थे? हॉर्स पे ड्रिवन करते थे. जो हथियार बनाते थे वो गुड क्वालिटी के थे और ब्रॉन्ज के थे. द यूज ऑफ आर्मर बर्मन, यूज ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्टिव मशीन कार्ड पुरचर्ष्णु. Origin of early Vedic age. Early Vedic age 1500 to 1000 BC before Christ. Geography to Rig Veda. Aryan had the knowledge of the Indus Valley. सप्त सिंधवा. अकॉर्डिंग टू ऋग्वेदा के अनुसार आर्यन थे जो उनका जो नॉलेज था, आर्यन हैड द नॉलेज ऑफ द इंडस वैली, सप्त सिंधा का नॉलेज था. इंडस इज द मोस्ट मेंशन्ड रिवर इन ऋग्वेदा. जो इंदस है वो मोस्ट मेंशन्ड रिवर है, ऋग्वेदा में बताया गया है। सरस्वती जिसको नंदी तरना इज कंसीडर्ड एज द होलीएस्ट रिवर, उसको सरस्वती रिवर्स को जिसको नंदी तरना बोलते थे होलीएस्ट रिवर थी। इट इज आइडेंटिफाइड विथ हकरा घग्गर channel in Haryana and Rajasthan, but in Rigvedic description it seems to be the Avistran river Harakshvati, from where the name of Saraswati was transferred to India. जो रिवर थी अवस्थन रिवर हरस्वती, from changed the name Saraswati. Samudra referred to collection of water and not sea. They had knowledge of Himbad or the snow mountain, Dhava, desert land and Majuvan, from which Aryans got soma, an intoxicating drink. Samudra refer to collection of water or not sea. The knowledge of Himbad or the snow mountain, desert land and Majvat, from the Aryans got soma and intoxicating drinks. Political organization. The Rig Vedic polity was a tribal polity. Kula को हम फैमिली बोलते हैं, वॉज द बेसिस ऑफ बोथ सोशल एंड पोलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. स्टार्टिंग विथ कुला, द हायरार्कीज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर वॉज ग्रामा विलेज with clan, jana, tribe or rashtra country. The tribal chief called Ranjan was the center of administrative machinery. The king Gopazansya position was hereditary. He was protector of drive and cattle, not the ruler of any specific territory. Several driver assemblies called Vidhata Sabha Samriti emerged. They exercised military and religious functions. Women attended them occasionally. Doctrine of divine was not associated with kingship. Only one king, Parshuputa, has been described as Ardhaviva, semi-divine in Rig Veda. Important officers were Purohita, Sinani, Kulpati, head of family, Vishpati, Virjpati, Gramini, Sparsa, spy, Duta, messenger. These all are political organization of early Vedic period. Early Vedic period is the oldest periods in the world. Today I will discuss again the origin and the reason rapid expansions of Aryans and Vedic age, its geography and political organization. In next I will discuss with the economic life of Vedic period. Economic life. Rigveda people were predominantly pastoral. Go was the most important animal, mentioned 176 times in Rigveda. ऋग्वेदा में ये व्याख्यान किया है कि जो काऊ है, जिसको हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में गो बोलते हैं, 176वां टाइम ऋग्वेदा में बताया है कि वो क्या है, इम्पोर्टेंट एनिमल है. गो माता रेफर टू मैन, प्रॉस्परस विद मैनी कैटल्स. गो माता है वो खुशहाली लाती है, खुशहाली लाने वाली कैटल है. द टर्म ऑफ वॉर वर गविस्ती और द Search for cow. The cow seems to have been most important form of wealth. Cattle breeding was their main occupation. They domesticated horse, sheep, goat, dog and ass. Wild animals known were lion, elephant and bear. Agriculture was secondary occupational. Java has been mentioned in Rigveda. Shifting agriculture was practiced. Panis form the great trading class. They are condemned in several texts of their greed and hardness. Ayas, copper and bronze was the common metal in use of metals. Metal were called karma. They were two ayans, Shamayas and Krishnayas. Nishkas, Hiranspindas and Manas were used as recognized piece of weight and value. Predominate pottery type was water-colored pottery through black and red ware type were known to them. Taxation system was not developed and Wali was a form of voluntary contribution to the king. अभी हमने इकोनॉमिक, पहले हमने ज्योग्राफी एंड पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में बारे में पढ़ा, वैदिक पीरियड की इकोनॉमिक लाइफ में पढ़ा. अब हम सोसाइटी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Tribal society with kingship as the basis of social structure. Man was identified with his tribe called as Jana. Jana was divided into group of villages under Vishpati. Vish into Graha village. Under Gramini and Gramsa into Kulas headed by Kulpa. The tribal society was broadly divided into priest, warrior and the pupil. Shudra is first mentioned in textbook, a latest edition of Rigveda. The non-Aryans considered was the Shus and the Dasas. Slavery was rampant at the time. No evidence for child marriage. Position of women. Rigveda society was patriarchal, so the worth of daughters was not desired. But once won, they were treated with kindness. Child marriage was not practiced. Women can choose their husband. Monogamy and yoga was practiced. Some indication of polyandry have been found. Women participated in religious ceremony and tribal assemblies. Religion. Aryan was nature worshippers, personification of the force of nature. Vedic religion was henotheism and Catholicism. Predominance of male god. Very few goddesses find mention. Aim of worship was material gains. Cult of domestic hearth was prevalent. Sacrifice was the pivot of Vedic religion. Rigvedic god. The most important divinity in the Rigveda is Indra, who is called Purandra and breaker of faults. Indra played the role of warlord, leading the Aryan soldier to victory against the demons. He is considered to be the rain god and through to the responsible for causing rainfall. The second position held by Agni, fire god. River mentioned in Rigveda. Rigvedic names and modern names. सिंधु, जिसको अब हम इंदस बोलते हैं, विस्तासा जेलम, अस्किनी चेनाब को बोलते थे, पुरुषिनी रावी को बोलते थे, विपासा व्यास रिवर को, सातुदरी सतलुज, गोमल को गोमती, करुमु को कुरम, दृष्टावती घाघर रिवर को बोलते थे, सावस्तु स्वत को, कुबा काबुल को, नदी तरना सरस्वती एंड सधनिया गंडक रिवर्स को. आज हमने वैदिक पीरियड के अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड के बारे में पढ़ा. In next video, I will discuss with you later period 1000 to 600 BC in next day. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for watching more videos.